Hi everyone, let's learn the alphabets. Repeat after me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's trace and learn alphabets. A. Good job. B. Very good. C. Perfect. D. Fantastic. E. Outstanding. F. Well done. G. Good job. H. Very good. I. Perfect. J. Outstanding. K. Fantastic. L. Good job. M. Outstanding. N. Well done. O. Very good. P. Perfect. Q. Outstanding. R. Good job. S. Outstanding. T. Well done. U. Perfect. B. Good job. W. Perfect. X. Outstanding. Y. Good job. Z. Outstanding.